Folder, click Open File. Click the file you want to open, such as submissions. Select the case you want to download. Press Next. Select PDF or HTML and press Download. Enter your LawNet username and password. Accept the terms and conditions. And then if you choose not to open another file, you will see the downloaded file. And you can also open the folder in which the file is downloaded. Open a new bundle. You can select the filing party, such as the plaintiff. You can type in the case number. Select the date of the bundle, which is usually today's date. You can also select the font and volumization options. Type in the name of the first party, which can be the plaintiff or the prosecution. You can select either an NRIC or a UEN. Next, type in the name of the defendant. Again, you can select an NRIC or UEN, or another ID type you can type in manually. You can select the type of numbering you want for the tabs. You can either add a citation which was downloaded using Caselist, or you can add a custom file. You can key in the relevance of the downloaded citation which will appear in the contents page. Caselist automatically detects the citation in the file name. You can save the bundle as a CZB file. And you can generate an index, which will be an automatically generated contents page that contains the page numbers. There are placeholders for the page numbers, and you can edit this file in Microsoft Word. After you're done editing, you can click Try to Update. Always remember to save your bundle. Finally, when you're done with your bundle, you can click Export PDF, and it will generate a PDF of all the bundled cases and the tab pages.